colours. If not, don't worry because Glitter is a colour expert, aren't you, Glitter? Will you help us today? Ah, thanks, Glitter. Why don't you say them all with me? What colour do we have first, Glitter? Red! Red! Orange! Orange! Yellow! Yellow! Green! Green! Blue! Blue! Purple! Purple! Pink! Pink! Brown! Brown! Black! Black! White! White! Grey! Grey! If you want to see more cheeky learning with our monsters, why not check out our channel and click subscribe? And remember, everyone has a cheeky monster. Which one are you? Goodbye!